How to get rid of smelly feet naturally. A person's feet can get them from point A to point B, but they suffer from aches, pains, and odors along the journey. While most individuals have stinky feet from time to time, some people are afraid to remove their shoes. The good news is that there are several therapies available to lessen the condition's occurrence. Smelly feet might be embarrassing, but they are not medically harmful. The importance of foot cleanliness in treating and avoiding stinky feet cannot be overstated. This includes cleaning the feet with antibacterial soap on a regular basis, giving special attention to the regions between the toes. 1. Exfoliating the feet. Using a scrub or pumice stone can aid in the removal of dead skin cells, which germs love. To avoid accumulation, a person with particularly stinky feet may want to use a pumice stone 2 to 3 times each week. 2. Vinegar soak. In a tub, combine 2 parts warm water and 1 part vinegar, apple cider or white vinegar would work, and soak the feet for 15 to 20 minutes. However, if you have any wounds, sores, or scrapes, you should avoid using a vinegar soak since vinegar can irritate exposed skin regions. 3. Deodorant. Foot odor can be concealed using deodorant. Although antiperspirant is generally used on the underarms, applying into your feet may help to minimize perspiration. 4. Antibiotic ointment. Foot odor is caused by bacteria, not perspiration. Before going to bed, apply the ointment to your feet, between your toes, and a tiny amount to your toenails. Replace your socks, and the ointment will work to destroy the bacteria that is causing your feet to stink. 5. Lavender oil. Essential oils are an excellent approach to aid healing and keep your feet from stinking. Simply apply lavender oil to the soles and tops of your feet and in between your toes, where germs can produce stinky feet, and then massage well. Before going to bed, make sure you put your socks back on your feet to maximize the effectiveness of the foot rub. 6. Epsom salt foot bath. Fill a basin halfway with water and 2 cups of Epsom salt. Soak your feet in the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes twice a day. When you use Epsom salt, you are attempting to control the bacteria that is causing your stinky feet. 7. Moisture wicking socks. The objective is for your feet to be dry and sweat-free. Sweat from your foot is transferred to the outer layer of your socks via moisture-wicking socks. 8. Soak in black tea foot bath. Tannic acids in black tea destroy germs that cause odor. Boil 2 tea bags in a pint of water for 15 minutes to prepare a foot bath. Remove the tea bags and add 2 quarts of water to dilute the tea. Allow 15 to 30 minutes for the liquid to cool before soaking your feet. 9. Add zinc to your diet. Zinc supplementation, according to some experts, can aid in the elimination of foot odor. Seafood, meat, spinach, beans, oats, fortified morning cereals, mushrooms, almonds, and cashews are all good sources of this mineral. 10. Cornstarch. Cornstarch absorbs sweat, keeping your feet dry and comfortable. Sprinkle the starch liberally on your feet once or twice a day before putting on socks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.